previous class, we studied about hill and mountain. Today, we will start with valley. A valley is a low area land between two hills or mountains. It is a low area land. Here you can see in this image, this is the low area land between two hills or mountains. Valleys are formed by continuous running water over a long period of time. They are formed by the running water. Examples: Valley of Flowers and Kashmir Valley in India. These two are the examples of valleys found in India. Types of valleys. There are two types of valleys: V-shaped valleys and U-shaped valleys. V-shaped valleys are shaped like the alphabet V. They are created in such a way by the rivers that they take the shape of the letter V. U-shaped valleys are in the shape of alphabet U. They are created by rivers with moving ice called glaciers. They are created by rivers with ice known as glaciers. They are shaped like the alphabet U. Next is plateau. A plateau is a highland which is higher than the surrounding area, but it has a flat top. The difference between hill and a plateau is that plateau has a flat top. It is also called a tableland because of its flat top. As the table has the flat top, so it is also called flat top. A plateau has one or more steep. Steep means rising or falling sides. It has two or more than two steep sides. The highest and the largest plateau in the world is the Tibetan Plateau. It is the highest and the largest in the world. In India, the Deccan Plateau in southern part of India is an example of plateau. Next is desert. A desert is a dry, barren. Barren means with no vegetation. Land which gets little or no rainfall. It is always covered with sand. There are two types of deserts: hot desert and cold desert. Hot desert is always covered with sand. Very few plants grow there as it is always covered with sand, so very little plants are found there. The hot dry winds carry the sand from one place to another. When the wind blows, it takes the sand from one place to another. These deposits of sand, when the wind blows, it takes sand from one place to another and forms a hill known as sand dunes. Thorny plants like kikar and babul grows here because they are able to store water. In desert, there is less amount of water. So, thorny plants like kikar and babul grows because they are able to store water. In desert, an oasis is the only place which has the natural source of water. Here you can see this is an oasis. People usually live near an oasis. People make houses and live near an oasis because they are able to get water from the oasis. The baobab tree in desert has the capacity to store water. It is a special type of tree which has the capacity to store water. So it is called the bottle tree. A camel is called the ship of the desert because it can store water in its body and can live without water for many weeks. It is the only animal found in the desert because it has the capacity to store water. Examples of hot desert are: the Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest hot desert in the world. In India, The Thar Desert is an example of hot desert. Next is cold desert. A cold desert is completely covered with thick layers of ice for the whole year. In hot desert, it is covered with sand, and in cold desert, it is covered with ice. It receives little or no rainfall. It has very cold weather. Animals like penguins and fur seals are found here. There are two types of animals only found here. Example of cold desert is the continent Antarctica. In desert, people move from one place to another in search of food and water. They are called nomads. To get food and water, they move from one place to another. They are known as nomads.